welcome to part 3. It's not even 2 seconds since when I recorded that part 2 video. But anyway, what is on stock right now? How is Jam Egg limited, man? I also remembered when the Level Up Lollipop was in stock. Two Level Up Lollipops actually. Then a Master Sprinkler that is like 0.01. So it's gonna be super rare. I will be checking. Why is your name Isaac, man? Are you from the Bible? Finally, 8 more minutes, then it's the update. I mean 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. Oh, it got the Molten Mutation that it became 2 billion. Okay, what? Not again. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm not shocked. Wait. I thought it was gonna be 10 carats. By stock. I want to get 1 billion carats right now. 10 billion isn't even worth for me right now. I have one SX, which most of you probably don't have. Oh, this mean boy or girl have like 42 SX. Let me actually add him. Yes, I'm still adding people. Oh. It accepted. So pass. Also, ignore the pack if you hear my younger sister crying. Anyway. Actually, it's my cousin, not sister. Anyway. Galactic. Dude, Galactic is so expensive. Let me search it. Dude, why am I searching it on plants? I mean mutation. Yeah, I told you, it's 120x. How much? Oh my god. Did I see that 15 billion? Yes, I did. Yes, my Great Pumpkin sun-dried. Dude, it's night right now. How's it sun-dried? Anyway, I hope I don't harvest any of my crops.